Christmas tree and decor up longer than this, but it was just something in me that needed all of 2023 gone. A lot of new things have been happening for me with this new year, with one of my first blessings of 2024 being a new job. Because like I mentioned in my straight hair video, I was so stressed out at my old job that I had literally been planning to leave there for over a year. I'm learning patience, and I know God's timing is everything. So I hope everyone that comes across this video has a prosperous 2024, and that everything you put your mind to, you achieve. Could not keep my presents looking neat. My cats kept taking the bowls off. They kept running through the presents. So that's why when I showed you guys under my tree, there's a huge gap. They were running through the presents. So at that point, I was like, you know what? Christmas is over. Whatever. Also, if you didn't see my video where I put up the Christmas tree, these are not actual gifts. These are boxes that I wrapped that I've had from purchases that I made. I just didn't want to have an empty Christmas tree this year, so I came up with that idea. to make sure that I got all of the dust, crumbs, everything that had fell in between the couch, because I did host a sleepover at my place the night of Christmas, and we had snacks, we had hot chocolate, and I was finding like little wrappers and stuff on the floor, so I knew I needed to go in and clean underneath my cushions really well. I didn't do it immediately after Christmas because I had ended up getting really sick. I was in a lot of pain and I really couldn't do anything. So my living room got neglected. I was able to clean the back of my apartment, which is why I didn't show that in this video, but I was not able to clean my front area. So I made sure that as soon as I felt better and I was off, I would tackle the front. Said, I just started a new job, so I just be so mentally drained by the time I get home from work. I just take off my clothes that I had for the day and just sit them on my table, and I was just tired of seeing it. But like I said, I went from being sick straight to starting a new job, so I really didn't get to get my place the way I wanted it. So I figured I'm off for 3 days, so I decided to get it done while I had the time. Just like that, my place is back to the way I like it. Simple, minimal. I love Christmas, but it was just time for the tree to go, and it just brought my place back alive. Like, I love that simple, clean, untouched look. It's just my favorite.